Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare BMW M3 versus Dodge Challenger, which is better. Pay attention to handling, power, comfort, and running costs as I guide you through each comparison point. We'll start with engine and performance, then examine handling and braking, and finally look at interior, tech, and typical ownership expenses. I'll highlight real-world pros and cons and give clear takeaways so you can choose with confidence. Let's dig into performance and driving character in a friendly way so you can imagine each car on road or track. The BMW M3 feels agile with tight steering and a high revving engine, while the Dodge Challenger offers big torque and heavyweight momentum that thrills in a straight line. Consider transmission types, tire options, and weight when judging real-world lap times and commuter comfort. Quick recommendation and a small laugh. When you switch between track day snacks and grocery runs, these leak-proof meal prep containers make cleanup effortless and keep your seats safe from salsa disasters. If you like this tip and the video content, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Check the description for the product link and other deals, pick one up if it helps, and now let's get back to the video. Comfort and ownership are just as important as raw speed, so let's be practical and conversational about daily life with these cars. The BMW M3 blends sport-focused seating with premium materials, while the Dodge Challenger rewards with more passenger room and big trunk space. Think about insurance, maintenance intervals, and fuel use for V8 versus turbocharged engines when budgeting ownership costs and planning long-term enjoyment.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.